If you're getting a Steam inventory error like inventory unavailable or too many requests, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. These errors are usually caused by Steam server lag, temporary rate limiting on your IP, browser cache problems, or even a privacy setting glitch on your account. So if your inventory won't load, your items aren't showing, or Steam keeps blocking access, this guide should help you get it working again. And if this video helps, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more quick Steam tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, the simplest fix is to fully restart Steam. Don't just minimize it. You want to completely exit Steam from the system tray or taskbar. Make sure it is closed in the background, and then open it again. Sometimes Steam inventory issues happen because the client gets stuck or fails to refresh your session properly. A full restart can clear that up immediately. If that does not fix it, the next thing to understand is that Steam may be rate limiting you. If you have been browsing a lot of items, refreshing your inventory repeatedly, or switching pages too fast, Steam can temporarily block requests from your IP address. In many cases, this can last around 24 hours. So if you suspect that is the issue, the best solution may simply be to wait it out. I know that is not the answer everyone wants, but sometimes patience is the only fix when Steam servers are protecting themselves from too many requests. Now let's try clearing your browser data inside Steam. Open Steam, go to Settings, then look for the In-Game or Browser-related section, and select Delete Web Browser Data. This removes cached data that may be causing the inventory page to load incorrectly. After clearing that, restart Steam again and check your inventory one more time. A stale cache can cause all kinds of weird loading issues, so this is always worth trying. If the problem is still happening, your IP address may have been flagged. In that case, you can try restarting your router to get a new IP address, or use a VPN if that is appropriate for your setup. Sometimes simply changing your network route is enough to bypass the temporary block and allow Steam inventory pages to load normally again. Just remember to use trusted and safe tools if you go this route. Another thing that can trigger these errors is browser extensions. If you use tools like Enhanced Steam or SteamDB, they can sometimes make too many requests in the background. That can cause Steam to think your activity is suspicious, which may lead to inventory errors. Try disabling those extensions temporarily, and then reload the inventory page. If it works after that, you have found the cause. You should also try checking your inventory through the Steam mobile app. In some cases, the desktop client or browser version may be having trouble, while the mobile app works perfectly fine. So if you are in a hurry and need to confirm your items, this is a great workaround while you troubleshoot the main issue on your PC. Now here is a really important fix that many people overlook. Sometimes Steam's inventory server seems to forget or misread your privacy settings. If that happens, it can block access to your own items, even when everything should be public. To fix this, go to your profile, click Edit Profile, and open Privacy Settings. Then change your inventory from public to private, wait about 30 seconds, and change it back to public or friends only. This forces Steam to re-index your inventory and refresh the permissions on the server side. It sounds simple, but it can work surprisingly well. Finally, you should check whether the problem is actually on Steam's side. The inventory and market servers are separate from the normal game and store servers, so even if Steam looks online, inventory services may still be delayed or down. To test this, visit steamstat.us and look at the Steam community and inventory service rows. If those show delayed or down, then the issue is not on your computer at all. At that point, there is nothing to fix locally, and you just need to wait for Valve to resolve it. So to recap, if you get a Steam inventory error, start by restarting Steam, then wait if you've been rate limited, clear web browser data, try changing your IP or using a VPN, disable any problematic extensions, test the mobile app, refresh your privacy settings, and check Steam status online. One of these steps usually gets inventory access working again. If this video helped you solve the problem, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Steam tips, and let me know in the comments which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.